I am so excited to share this property with you. It is a just about 15,000 square foot custom home that is on the market for the first time. The family has lived here for about 15 years, and it's a 5-acre parcel which borders the Persimmon Golf Course. There's actually 4 holes from the golf course that are on this property, so you can sneak out at night and shoot a little putt-putt. There is an ancillary building that's about 4,500 square feet with RV parking, a huge shop area, and it also has a 2-bedroom apartment upstairs. This house has a main level master suite that is actually 2 stories. On the 2nd story is just a nice place for mom and dad to hang out, have a nice fire in the evening, enjoy the wine bar, and just soak in the beautiful views. You can see Mount Hood, Mt Adams, and Mount St Helens all from the master suite. There's an amazing entry with this gorgeous chandelier, and then that leads into an exquisite formal living room. It also features an amazing gourmet kitchen with decor appliances and built-in espresso maker. There's also a pantry. There's a pool room. The pool room is great because it actually has an outside entrance, so you can have whoever's servicing the equipment just do it from the outside. There's no need for them to come inside the home. There's the attached pool room itself, which is almost like an atrium. It is my favorite part about this property. It is a huge swimming pool with 2 waterfalls. You have the palm trees, the tropical feel, and then the attached hot tub. This location is just minutes from downtown, quick and easy access to get to the mountain, and just located in this wonderful country setting. You're going to love the possibilities that are endless that this property offers. There's also the opportunity, if you wanted to do a possible lot line adjustment and separate the 2 homes and make it another residence. Again, it's up to you to make this special property come alive to make your dream and lifestyle a reality.